Uh, Guys, before starting my session, I'm breaking little protocols. So I know how many of you are with me. Can you just raise your hands? Hey, I can see only a couple of hands because this stage is very magical. I can't see everyone, though I don't have an issue. Hey, well, good. So before starting my session, I have a question for you all. And listen to my question very seriously. I'll not repeat my question. I'll ask you a question only once. And you are okay with that? Kindly raise your hands. I'm again saying, this stage is very magical. I can't see you all, but you can see me. Raise your hands. Done. Perfect. And what about this row? Right. Perfect. Come on, this guy, this side. Perfect. Done. So you're ready for the question, correct? Done. So my question for you all is, according to you, mother is great or teacher is great? And I want team here to just hand over some mic for them so that I can hear the answer. Great. And one answer, please. Just one reason. Thank you so much. Any other answer? Mother can be teacher for you. And one more answer, please. Mother is everything. Wonderful answers. So most of you are saying, Mom, you also said mother, right? Teacher, wonderful. And any other answer? Yeah, sir, please. Who? Mother is a creator. Wonderful. Thank you so much. Now, I'll break the protocol, but I'll not drag the session for longer time. So, same question was being asked by a professor in a university, and almost most of the students answered like, Mom, as you all did. But one child, like this ma'am, answered teacher. You also did teacher, sir? Mother is the first teacher, great. So now professor got shocked, walked towards the child and asked, why according to you teacher is great? Now do you know the answer? Student said, Amma lali paata paadte okalle nidrapotaru. Teacher lesson chepte class lo unna andaru nidrapotaru. Kabatti teacher is greater than mother according to me. So, my dear friends, today I'm standing here in front of you all not to give any lecture, but to talk the most important topic and to break a myth about it, that is mental health. Andukane nen protocol break cheyalsi vachindi. Okay? Thanks for considering CSR team. And enduku ante mana day chala long ayipoyindi kabatti. Okay? So, mental health. So, mental health anangane dayachesi pichi anukokandi. No. Mental health is combination of emotional aspect, behavioral issues, relationship issues, day-to-day handling our expectations and stressors. Do you all agree with me? Done? Raise your hands, guys. Don't forget I'm on a magical dais. Kindly, please. Thank you. And kindly let us move to the next. Now we will see the statistical data, what our country speaks about it. It speaks that, it's a magical dais, right? So mental health services, actually 150 million people in our country need mental health services. But do you know how many are getting? Only 10 to 15%. What about the others? Because still, we all believe mental health is pitchy. We shouldn't seek for help. Now, the other segment, adolescents, which are very crucial people for our country. UNICEF says 1 in 7 adolescents are actually living with diagnosed mental health condition. Are we aware about it? No. But if you listen, in every house nowadays, you are listening like, Amma panic attack, Ma depression, Ma sad, Amma crush. How many of you are hearing nowadays these kind of things? Can you raise your hands? Only one dad I can see here. What about the others? You are not finding Gen Z kids? Around you, you belong to some other planet. And in front of me, there are n number of Gen Zs. Might be into fling language on situationships. And coming to the suicidal rate, it is 21.1 per lakh. Next slide, please. Before talking about the next slide, I would like to tell about a story about a girl. Might be it is a story for me and you, but it is her life. And it may be looking more familiar for you because she is a girl who walked into my room along with her parents with very sad face. And parents usually bring this girl with what complaints? Social isolation, suicidal tendencies, self-harming nature, always hanging out with mobile and not talking to parents, always bombarding with parents. And when I dug her deep, she shared me that since 1 year she's going through all these things, and it's not only about her, but more than 30% of her class are going through these symptoms, which was really shocking for me. Because most of my job is what happens in my cabin, not apart from that, correct? And after getting to know about it, then I have seen the statistics of country that it was really shocking. Like more than 60 million people are suffering one or the other form of mental illness, and 50 billion people are suffering either with anxiety or depression. And to put in a very simple form, 1 in 20 people are suffering with depression. And then we thought it's not just about parents usually bring a child with a complaint of skipping grades, then playing mobile or suicidal thoughts. But it's not just important to mould the grades. It is about improving the relationship, working on the career aspects, building relationship. And why it is important to talk about her today on this dais is she is the core pillar behind the initiative, self-transformation. Next slide, please. Yeah, this program is designed to help youth build essential skills for personal and professional life, because both of them are interconnected. If at all, personally they are not good, that impacts their professional growth. Professionally they are not good, that impacts their personal life. That's how this program, this initiative have come into existence. Next slide, please. And this program was conducted both in offline and online mode. It was delivered both for government, private schools, and many institutes. Thousands of students were being taken advantage, benefited through this initiative. Next slide, please. And this program was conducted in 20 plus engineering and degree colleges, 1,000 plus online and gated communities, 30 plus government and private schools. Next slide, please. The key skills which were concentrated in this initiative are emotional skills, career skills, and life skills. Let us talk something about emotional skills. How many of you think emotional skills are more important in life? Very good. What happens if at all we are not emotionally good? What happened to us till now? Simple question. What happens if at all career skills are not built in proper way? What we frequently listen from kids nowadays, like, mass stress, mass panic attack, exam anxiety, social anxiety. They are not at all clear about what goal they are supposed to pick. When they are not clear about what goal they are supposed to pick, what happens? That impacts their emotional imbalance. And both of them are interconnected. And now comes the more important picture is all about life skills, which is very crucial in their teenage. How to maintain their relationships with their peer as well as their parents. So all these three areas are focused in this particular initiative. And next slide, please. The program formats which are opted for this initiative are through workshops, one-on-one counselings, and through digital platforms. Next slide. The successful programs through this initiative are Ask Us Anything, which is conducted every month, and Igniting Minds, which is initiated in every educational institution almost, who are welcomed, and you can be also part of it, and 21 Days Yoga Challenge, which goes on every summer. Next slide, please. Now talking about the budget. See, you know, any program cannot be everlasting unless someone can be part of it. And in this process, when we have checked the budget allocated for the mental health, see, in body, every part is important. If at all we should use every part in a productive way. What is the most important part? What is the most important part? Brain. Perfect. Done. Now, brain is also working in the most productive way, but the function should happen in an ethical, moral way, which should be benefited for self and society. Then what should work in a proper way? Mind. When that doesn't happen, we are completely gone. But in our life, what is the least important thing we are given to? Mind itself. Headache, run to doctor. Stomach pain, run to doctor. Knee pains, run to doctor. But you are feeling sad, you will not talk to anyone. You are having fear, you will not talk to anyone. You are feeling stressed, you will not talk to anyone. Your emotions, your incapabilities, your fears, your beliefs, all are given least importance. But which are killing you slowly like poison day by day, and at last that is impacting your life, which we are not realizing. In the similar way, if at all we see the budget, unfortunately, 0.06% is the total budget allocated for the mental health, without which our survival is very difficult. Let us see any suicidal cases. Let us see the 10th class murder case. What happened? First rank వచ్చింది, మనకు మైండ్ సరిగ్గా పనిచేయట్లేదు. What you will do out of first rank? When you are so anxious, you are having high knowledge, but you don't have social skills, how you will work in your company? So without your mental health, you cannot be a successful person. My dear buddies, understand this. And in the similar way, it is like, 89,000 crores are the allocated budget by government, but mental health, it is only 900 crores, and that is also allocated only to a couple of institutions. And these institutions are using it for people who are already suffering with mental illness, not coming to the ground people. And coming to the CSR funds, out of 35,000 crores, less than 1% is allocated for mental health, my dear friends. And I hope, friends, without proper mind, we can't do anything in our life. Mind is everything. What we believe, we can become. So if at all we want to become, mind need to cooperate with us. So you have to be, So I request you have, so I want you to be, understand this thing, join and make this initiative more impactful. గురుజాడ గారు చెప్పినట్టు దేశం అంటే మట్టి కాదోయ్, దేశం అంటే మనుషులోయ్, మనుషులు అవ్వాలి అంటే మైండ్ సరిగ్గా పనిచేయాలి. నేను సైతం చెప్పగలుగుతారా? శ్రీశ్రీ గారు చెప్పింది, నేను సైతం ప్రపంచానికి ఆ సమిధని మనం అందరూ అవ్వాలని కోరుకుంటూ, if you have any question after this we can talk. థ్యాంక్ యూ కూడా చెప్పకూడదు ప్రోటోకాల్లో, క్లాప్స్ కొట్టచ్చు ప్రోటోకాల్లో, గట్టిగా కూడా కొట్టచ్చు ప్రోటోకాల్లో.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Next, we would like to call Mamta Rao. She is a proud Hyderabadi who has hailed from Doha, and she is a seasoned HR professional, corporate trainer, and entrepreneur. Currently, Mamta serves as the managing director of contracting company in Doha. Driven by passion to give back to her nation, she founded Sharmanvi Private Limited, reflecting her commitment to service and innovation. I would like Mamta Garu to please come on the stage. I would request everyone to give a big round of applause. Thank you.
Thank you. So much for your patience. Good evening, everyone. Long day, but few more interesting things to discuss. We humans psychologically have some strong things in our mind hicked up. One of it is security. You buy a vehicle and you go for a vehicle insurance. You think of your health and you take medical insurance, isn't it? And you think about your security of your life and go for life insurance. But among all these things, there is one thing which you're always hicked up and you're always worried to lose something. And in a day, on and off, that creates a kind of panic in your mind. Where is it? What if I miss it? You keep thinking that in your mind most of the time, every day. Can anyone guess what it could be? Perfect. Your mobile, your companion, apart from your life partner. This is where we step in as a security for your phone, to safeguard your phone. ATMT, Anti-Mobile Theft Tracker app. It is basically an Indian app where it secures your phone and it ensures, even if you lose it, you get it back. Basically, has about 25 wonderful features, but let me highlight few. Suppose your phone is stolen. Before even you could go to the police, imagine you get a selfie of that thief on the other registered phone, along with the location of your lost phone. How wonderful it is. Isn't it a marvelous feature? ATMT provides you with this feature. When the phone is lost, everything is lost. Your data is gone, and you feel insecure to lose that data. But here, you have a wonderful data security where you can remotely lock your phone once it is lost, so that no one can tamper your data. So you are assured your data is safe. Apart from that, even if the phone is lying somewhere, someone find it. Immediately they tend to put it off, right? But this app has a wonderful feature where the other person cannot switch it off. And it also gives an alarm. And one more thing, the mobile data will never go off, so that the location of that particular mobile which is lost will be sent to you or your dear ones, whichever you have registered as a backup phone number. And these days, we see different atrocities, especially women face many problems when they travel in the night. And sometimes gentlemen also have some fears of robbery and all. At that kind of emergency, just 5 clicks of the power button will send an alert to your near and dear ones, along with your location, mind it. So, just with one click, you are able to reach. Just with one message, you are able to get the information about this lost phone. Among all these features, I loved one more feature. One person even tried to tamper your phone, tried to remove that SIM, and when he put his SIM, still you will be able to know that information. His phone number will be reflected to your account, and you can track that lost phone in spite of your chip is being chipped out. How wonderful it is, isn't it? We need not worry about the phone to be kept anywhere because it is our companion. We need to store it, we need to save it. We have to safeguard it. So basically, ATMT app provides a super security. And I advise you, as a community service people, it is our basic responsibility to educate our near and dear ones about this feature, about this app, so that they also feel secured, isn't it? It is like a guardian. It is like a technology which is there in the fingertips. You are ensuring safety. Here, with this app, I have a tremendous, prideful moment to say. In this world of technology, we are going ahead with too much of smartness along with the smartphones. But along with the smartness, we are also going securely. So, anti-theft mobile tracker app is like, you just trust ATMT and please get back to us, Shara Manvi Private Limited. Thank you.